Hello, I want to get connected with you. I want to build a relationship with you, to be the strongest supporters in all areas of our life, in our financial dreams, and in all the dreams of our life. As a newbie in online marketing with Udemy, there's a trade secret for Udemy, where you can get courses after courses, which is for free. If you were to take Udemy courses, as you consume more and more information and take more and more courses, as you reach a few $100s, you begin to feel the pain even though it's just $20. So there's a trade secret where you can have endless amount of Udemy courses for a long time to come, Only senior instructors in the Udemy knows it. So now I'm going to give you this piece of secret now. I charge this information consultation for $97. Okay, and you can get endless Udemy courses for a long time to come. But because I want to connect with you, I want to build a relationship with you and network with you, I'm giving you this information for free. There's a technician who goes to a house and check the washing machine of owner of the washing machine, and after taking a look at the washing machine, he gives the washing machine a kick, and after that he charges the owner $100. And the owner asks the technician why it's just a kick, why is it that he charges $100. The technician says that $1 is for the kick and $99 is to know where to kick. So for this information, even though it's just a piece of information, it takes many years. You can get endless courses with this courses with Udemy with this information. So all I want to do is just to email me your information, and I will if you email me your information and tell me who you are and that you are from Video Challenger, and this offer is just for Video Challengers only, and it is due on if you give me your email before the graduation webinar 11 o'clock on the 23rd of March, I'll give this offer for you for free. All I want to do is to network with you, to build a relationship with you, and to be your friend, fans and followers, and the goal is to be the strongest friends and followers for each other and add value to each other's life. All I ask is to network with you. I'll give you this piece of information which is worth $97 for free. Okay, if you were to send before 23rd March for this batch of Video Game Changer members only, 11 o'clock on. Thank you.